Probably can't see how hard it's raining, but I'm sure you can hear it. We just had thunder and lightning strike right over the top of us. And then it was loud. Very, very loud. You can see it coming off the roof. How much it's raining. It just started coming down. Hear the thunder? Maybe I'll catch a lightning strike up there on Monumental for you. You can hear the thunder. Sounds like a jet's going over, but it's thunder. Summer storms. You're missing all of it, too. I'm going to stop at 2 minutes, so I don't think I'm going to get a lightning strike for you. Hopefully we get a lot of rain, but most likely we'll get not enough to get it wet. Ooh, there was lightning. Don't know if you saw that. Getting more sheet lightning than bolt lightning right now with the rain.